Okay, so in this circuit, let's see how we can apply a current division rule. So what we see, we have a resistive network and a current source is connected to this network. The name of the current source is IT, that is the total current into the circuit, and the direction of arrow shows the direction of a current. And what we see here is that there is a resistor R1, R2 and R3, and one more resistor is Rx. The current flowing through the resistor Rx is denoted as Ix, and RT indicates the total equivalent resistance of the R1, R2 and R3. So let's suppose if we are asked to calculate the current flowing through Rx, then we can apply a current division rule or current division formula, which is shown right here. So to calculate the current flowing through Rx, which is Ix, first we have to calculate the total equivalent resistance of the network other than this resistor. So other than this resistor, there are three resistors. So we take the equivalent of it, which is called as RT, and we divide it. In the denominator we write RT plus Rx, and we multiply this factor with the total current IT that is being fed to the circuit. So again, whenever you want to calculate the current flowing through a particular resistor, you take the equivalent resistance of the other resistors available, that is RT, and then divide it, that value, with the sum of the total resistance plus the resistance through which you want to calculate the current, and then multiply it with the total current into the circuit. So that's the current division rule. If suppose you are asked to calculate the current flowing through R3, so I would say the current flowing through R3 can be calculated by first taking the equivalent resistance of Rx, R1 and R2. So these three resistors will form an equivalent resistance of the network, and then I will say that would be RT, and it will be divided by R3 plus RT multiplied by IT. Similar goes for calculating the current flowing through R2. Then I will have RT, which will be parallel combination of Rx, R1 and R3, and this RT will be divided by R2 plus RT, and it will be multiplied by the total current IT. So this is how you can apply a current division rule in any circuit to calculate a branch current. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, share it with others and subscribe to the channels. Have a good learning.